So here's how the read, write, and execute permission is. Read is to just to list those files. You can see that there's a file existing. You can read the content of it. Write is to create or delete the files in that folder. That means write permission will be, you can overwrite the file, you can write into that file, you can edit it, you can change the text, and you can also delete that file. Execute is just to execute it. If it's an executable file, you can execute it like a binary file. Okay, you can execute it. So you can say, you can use a command such as chmod, change mode, or change permissions, read, write, execute. So you can say for the group. So if you select G, it is for the group, and then you are saying plus read, write permission. Okay, sorry, read and execute permission. So when you say plus, that means you're adding permission. If you put minus, you're removing permission. If there's a permission there, you can remove it with a negative sign. So read and execute to this particular file. So this could be a file or a folder, and you're giving for the group read and execute permission. So when you do listing of that particular file, you can see there will be read and execute permission. Okay, so there's a read permission and execute permission, or read and execute permission that is given for the group. And for the rest of the world, there's no permission. You can see it's dash, dash, dash. That means rest of the world, they don't have permissions. So these permissions are usually split up like this. So D stands for the directory. Then you have got read, write permission. So this permission is for the owner of the file. Okay, and then you got these three permissions. So it is only read permission and execute permission. So write permission is not there. And if you see this rest, the other three permissions, read, write, and execute is missing. So there's no read, there's no write, and there's no execute permission. So this is for everyone. Okay, and this is for group people. You're part of the group, so the group members can have read and execute, but no write permission. As an owner, you can see you have got all the permissions. So that's how this will be created. And D stands for a directory. So it is telling me that this particular name is a folder, directory, or a folder. Okay, just like we create a folder. This is again purely Unix, okay, or Linux. So Unix, Linux is same. So these commands are more or less, I mean, whatever commands you have in Unix operating system, it will 100% run in Unix, Linux operating system. The only difference is sometimes those names may be different because you got different variants. Okay, SUSE, Mandrake, Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat. There are quite a lot of variants of Linux operating system. All of them are free. You don't have to buy anything. So those are all open source, but you can download it from their website. It's free. You can update it. There's updates also free. And they also got Open Office. Open Office is just like they have got Microsoft Office. They got Open Office. They can install it. In fact, Open Office is also available for our Windows versions. I mean, Windows operating systems as well. So that's a good thing.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out, and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.